There's an institution in Turkey to take care of your health. An institution always up to date and pioneer of innovations. The group was named after Florence Nightingale, who defined the rules for sanitation and hence started the modern nursing. The hospitals of the group are located in Istanbul and a facility in London. Group Florence Nightingale has a total capacity of 700 patient beds, 122 intensive care unit beds, 75 emergency and observation beds, and 36 operating rooms, and employs 3,000 personnel, including 515 permanent staff doctors, 542 nurses, and 309 healthcare technicians. Şişli Florence Nightingale Hospital, the first hospital of the group, started providing medical services in 1989 with a capacity of 50 beds. This hospital has increased its bed capacity to 300 and currently performs more than 2,000 open-heart surgeries annually, as well as bone marrow, heart, and liver transplantations. Şişli Florence Nightingale Hospital, with its 12 operating rooms and 47 intensive care unit beds, maintains its feature of being a reference hospital for complex cases. Gayrettepe Florence Nightingale Hospital, the third hospital of the group, was opened as a 102-bed hospital in 1997. Comprehensive Cancer Center of the hospital, with its qualified staff and modern equipment, works in collaboration with the globally renowned New York Memorial Sloan Kettering, Houston MD Anderson, and Detroit Karmanos Cancer Institution. Regarding diagnosis and treatments, individualized cancer treatments are provided and family-centered care complements the services. Individual cases are discussed by the board of the specialists so that active treatment strategies are developed. Gayrettepe Florence Nightingale Immunology Hemato-Oncology Genetic Diagnosis and Research Center offers services with its qualified specialists and international connections for the diagnosis and treatment of genetic diseases and immunogenetic and cancer immunology. In the Radiotherapy Center, IMRT system, which provides a special protection to the organs at risk, is used to deliver radiotherapy. Thanks to the multi-layer computerized tomography device, the cardiac vessels can be viewed in only 8 seconds. This device also allows the three-dimensional view of the respiratory and urinary systems. With the 16 multi-detector PET-CT device, cancers can be diagnosed at very early stages. Gayrettepe Florence Nightingale has a constant quality improvement policy in all other branches it provides services, gynecology and obstetrics, and aims to move its place among the best special health institutions further. Göktürk Florence Nightingale Medical Center and Kadıköy Florence Nightingale Hospital on the Asian side of Istanbul are open to provide service in 2007. Kadıköy Florence Nightingale Hospital offers services for diagnosis and treatment in all branches as outpatient or inpatient, including emergency services. Due to being the only hospital on the Baghdad Avenue and its central location, the hospital has a feature of being the first choice for emergency cases around the area. The hospital owns fully equipped operation rooms in which all types of surgery, including heart surgery and liver transplantation, can be performed, intensive care units, and an advanced radiology center. Istanbul Florence Nightingale Hospital is located over against the Abide-i Hurriyet Park. Istanbul Florence Nightingale Hospital is the first green hospital of our country. The hospital provides service with 219 patient beds, 51 intensive care unit beds, 2 delivery rooms, and 11 operating rooms. All operating rooms have laminar airflow technology, and one of them is a hybrid theater. The operating theaters can be connected to the conference room with a 300 seating capacity and to international points with the latest technology. By using these technologies, interactive medical education and scientific activities can be organized. The physiotherapy department provides service in world standards using conventional therapies as well as contemporary methods, such as hydrotherapy, airwalk, and MIHA. The first EOS device in our country provides the three-dimension X-ray imaging of the skeleton by using ultra-low-dose radiation. Istanbul Florence Nightingale Hospital is cooperating with Turkish Airlines for patients coming for diagnosis and treatment from the countries in the region. Group Florence Nightingale distinguishes with its expertness at most sensitive branches like cancer, transplantation, thoracic and brain surgery, and especially in the diagnosis and treatment of cardiac diseases. Also, Group Florence Nightingale pioneered practicing the heart surgeries without opening the rib cage and prostate surgeries without opening the abdomen by dint of Da Vinci's surgical system. Florence Nightingale, which succeeded numerous liver, kidney, and pancreas transplantations due to its worldwide triumphant staff, provides for paralyzed patients. In Florence Nightingale hospitals, it's possible to identify many inherited diseases before and after pregnancy and at the embryo phase. The group takes justified pride in owning accreditation certificates of German TÜV, one of the biggest establishments of the world, the American Joint Commission International, as well as ISO 9001. It contributes to human health with yearly 2,000 open heart surgeries, 1,200 orthopedic surgeries, more than 10,000 surgical operations, treatment for 1,000 new oncologic patients, and 200,000 outpatients, and all of this with a modern perspective. Group Florence Nightingale also redounds new, qualified, and competent medical staff to our country and region. In the Turkish Republic Istanbul Science University, which was established as the first medical university in 2006 and is managerial connected to Turkish Cardiology Foundation, are being raised qualified doctors, nurses, and allied health personnel. Group Florence Nightingale, always breaking new grounds in its field, keeps on expanding and offering the best possible service, accompanied by its precious doctors and personnel, and the responsibility of being reformist and being an initiator all the time. Always new, always renewed. Group Florence Nightingale, at your health's disposal.